Calculating the estimated time to complete each activity is step 2 in the project evaluation and review technique, PERT. The formula we use to do this creates an average time based on optimistic, pessimistic, and normal or most likely expectations. So we take the optimistic time plus 4 times the most likely time plus the pessimistic estimate, and then we divide all of this by 6. The reason we multiply the most likely time by 4 is to give it the right amount of weighting based on probabilities. So using the information we have for our small renovation, we can start by calculating the estimated time for activity 1, which is removing the kitchen. For this activity, the optimistic time estimate is 4 days. This will happen if everything goes very smoothly, but things often take longer than planned and mistakes or other problems may arise. So the most likely estimate is 7 days, and if things go horribly wrong, the pessimistic estimate is 10 days. 4 plus 4 times 7 plus 10 gives us 42. We divide this by 6 and get an estimated time of 7 days. We then reproduce this calculation for each of the 10 activities in our project. You may want to pause the clip and perform this calculation for each activity now. You should practice this until you are quick and confident. We now have enough information to define the critical path for our project, which is step 3 of PERT. We established 3 separate paths in step 1 when we drew the network diagram. Path A starts and goes through activities 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 and 8. Path B diverges at activity 6 and instead goes through activities 9 and 10 before ending. And Path C diverges at activity 2 and goes through activities 4 and 5 before ending. We now apply the estimated times from step 2 to these paths and can see that Path A will take 62 days. Path B will take 73 days. And Path C will take 35 days. So how long will it take for us to complete this project? Path C will finish after 35 days and Path A after 62 days, but there will still be work outstanding on Path B. So the critical path is Path B because this is what needs to be done in order to complete the whole project. Because this path will take 73 days, then this is the shortest amount of time in which the project can be completed, as the whole project will not be completed until all of the activities on this path have been done. Hence, this is the critical path and the project will take 73 days to complete.